Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Tesla Juniper Model Y, a car that's been creating a lot of buzz lately. This latest iteration of Tesla's popular Model Y promises to set new standards in the electric vehicle market. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Juniper Model Y has undergone a sleek makeover. The front fascia now features a more aerodynamic look with sharper lines and a revised grille that not only improves airflow but also gives the car a more aggressive stance. The headlights have been redesigned to be slimmer and more angular, adding to the futuristic appeal of the vehicle. The overall silhouette remains true to the Model Y's roots, but with enhancements that make it stand out on the road. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Juniper Model Y comes with Tesla's latest battery technology. This means a significant boost in range, now offering up to 400 miles on a single charge. That's perfect for those long road trips or for simply reducing the frequency of your charging stops. The performance variant of the Juniper Model Y can go from 0 to 60 mph just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. Inside, Tesla has introduced a host of upgrades. The minimalist interior design is still there, but with new materials and finishes that give it a more premium feel. The central touchscreen has been upgraded to a larger, more responsive display, and the user interface is more intuitive than ever. There's also enhanced connectivity with features like seamless integration with your smart home devices and improved in-car entertainment options. Safety has always been a priority for Tesla, and the Juniper Model Y is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest version of Tesla's Autopilot, which includes advanced driver assistance features that make highway driving and parking a breeze. The car's structure has also been reinforced to improve crash safety, making it one of the safest vehicles you can buy. One of the standout features of the 2025 Model Y is its updated self-driving capabilities. While still in the beta phase, Tesla's full self-driving package promises even more autonomy, allowing the car to navigate complex urban environments with minimal driver intervention. This is a huge step forward in Tesla's goal to achieve fully autonomous driving. The Juniper Model Y is not just about performance and tech, it's also about sustainability. Tesla has made strides in using more eco-friendly materials in the construction of the car, and the manufacturing process has been optimized to reduce its carbon footprint. This aligns with Tesla's broader mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Overall, the 2025 Tesla Juniper Model Y is a testament to Tesla's continuous innovation and commitment to excellence. It combines cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and sustainable practices in a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're a Tesla fan or new to the brand, the Juniper Model Y is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in automotive tech.